Now, geo question answer. Geo question answer of 9th class. First question is, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. अब हमें पता है कि ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर कितने से जाती है, 8 स्टेट से जाती है. तो इसके अंदर जो ऑप्शन है दैट इज उड़ीसा. आंसर इज उड़ीसा, जहां से ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर पास नहीं होती. क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड. द ईस्टर्न मोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड. अब हमें ये मालूम है कि ईस्टर्न मोस्ट हमारा लॉन्गिट्यूड कौन सा है और वेस्टर्न मोस्ट कौन सा है. तो ईस्टर्न मोस्ट लॉन्गिट्यूड जो है हमारा वो है 97 डिग्री 25 मिनट. रिमेंबर दिस. एंड वेस्टर्न मोस्ट longitude, that is 68 degree 7 minute. So you learn these two things, very important. The easternmost longitude is 97 degree 25 minute and the westernmost longitude is 68 degree. Now Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Sikkim and West Bengal are frontier with. क्या मतलब है इसका? उत्तराखंड, यूपी, बिहार जो राज्य हैं, सिक्किम है, वेस्ट बंगाल है, इनकी सभी की सीमाएं किसको लगती हैं? इनकी सीमाएं लगती हैं, आंसर है नेपाल को. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इनकी जो लैंड बाउंड्री टचेस द नेपाल, मीन्स नेपाल इज टचेस विद उत्तराखंड, UP, Bihar, Sikkim, West Bengal, all these states. These are the 3 questions. Now, fourth one question is, if you visit Kavarti, now you know that Kavarti is the capital of Lakshadweep. So means if you are in Kavarti, then answer is you are in Lakshadweep. Very important. Next question is, my friend hail from a country which not shares the boundary with India. Answer is, you know that how many country shares the boundary with the India. In last lecture we did this 7 country, and in this the answer is Tajikistan. Tajikistan is not share boundary with the India. So if you learn all these things, or if you study with a good manner, then you answer these questions very easily. So these are not a difficult question, very easy questions. Now the next question is, name the group of island lie in Arabian Sea. Second का first part है, name the group of island, Iceland lying in the Arabian Sea. हम पढ़ चुके इसको कि अरेबियन सी में कौन से हैं और बे ऑफ बंगाल में कौन से हैं. तो अरेबियन सी में आंसर क्या होगा? लक्षद्वीप. Very important. Second question is, name the name the countries which have, which are larger than India, which are larger than India. अब इंडिया हमें पता है, इंडिया is at 7th position. We did this in our lecture. Now the countries are, first is Russia, second one is Canada, third one is America, fourth one is China, fifth one is Brazil, sixth one is Australia, and seventh one is India. So you learn all these things, very important for you and for the future. Now, another question is, which Iceland group lies to its southeast. अब हमें मालूम है कि हमारे साउथ ईस्ट में कौन सा है, ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ. तो साउथ ईस्ट में अगर हम देखते हैं तो हमें यहाँ क्या नजर आता है, अंडमान एंड निकोबार. So this is the answer. You just remember these things. The direction, that southeast direction, Andaman and Nicobar is there. Island. Now the next question is, which Iceland country are present या are southern partner. अब हमारे साउदर्न पार्टनर कौन कौन से हैं आइलैंड कंट्री के अंदर? आंसर क्या होगा? फर्स्ट पर है श्रीलंका एंड सेकंड है मालदीव. It shares boundary with the Lakshadweep and Sri Lanka shares boundary with the India. And in India it is separated by Gulf of Mannar. You know this, that it is separated from Gulf of Mannar, and Maldives is share boundary with Lakshadweep. So now these are the questions, and this is also an important questions of your NCERT. Write this in your copy. Now I give you some simple description that India have 28 states, not 29. Now India have how many states? 28 states and union territory. Union territory is how much? 9. Name all these union territory. I write this and you learn all these union territory. First is Chandigarh. Second is Delhi. Third one is Daman and Diu. Fourth is Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Fifth one is Puducherry. Sixth one is Puducherry. Lakshadweep. Seventh one is Andaman and Nicobar. 8. which is the new capital, which is the new union territory, Jammu and Kashmir, and ninth one is Leh. So just remember these. Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli, both are in Gujarat. Very important. Okay, this is present in the southernmost. Jammu and Kashmir and Leh is found in the northern part of the India. These two union territory includes last year, after the breaking of 370 rules, जब से 370 खत्म हुआ है तो जम्मू और कश्मीर लेह को क्या बना दिया गया है, यूनियन टेरिटरी बना दिया गया है। और इंडिया के 28 स्टेट हैं, पहले 29 थे, अब कितने स्टेट हैं, 28। यू लर्न ऑल दीज थिंग्स and remember all these things. Now one topic is left in this chapter and we finish this chapter. Okay, I hope you understand all these things, learn it and keep writing your copy. Thank you.